Hi, this is Viv from B&C Camera. The travel category offers one of the most creative potentials in terms of storytelling due to its diversity. Travelers and tourism companies can take advantage of beautiful locations, exciting trips, and dramatic stories. This isn't to imply, however, that producing travel films is a walk in the park, by no means. You also need technical expertise and a sense for detail, as well as the ability to construct a narrative around the material you capture. And for this, you must constantly invent and execute. So if you've been considering entering the travel video world, this is the perfect first stop for your journey. How to make a travel video. Have the right video gear. Invest in extra batteries and memory cards. Plan out your storyline. Shoot at locations appropriate for the storyline. Create your own guides. Share personal experiences. Video your recommendations and reviews. And finally, edit your video. Here are the basics. Planning. Making any video entails going through creativity, planning, and execution phases. However, when executing these stages in the travel video industry, you'll need to master additional talents in addition to filmmaking skills, such as time management, on-the-fly thinking, and acting swiftly. Many people feel that preparing travel videos is optional because traveling inherently has a wide range of variables. However, planning and pre-production are absolutely required steps in the process if you want to create travel films with a message. Shooting. When shooting travel videos, consider what the location represents and how it makes you feel. That's what you want to catch in your photographs. The most incredible travel videos allow the viewer to feel as if they're traveling with the maker, and nothing can induce a feeling such as that, like knowing the region's features you want to capture. This is why planning and research are so important. Finding those unique little places that lead to personal connections. These moments make your audience feel like they're with you. Keep a list of shots from the planning stage on hand in case you forget anything. Also, shoot photos during your journey and not just at the destination itself. You need to take your viewers on a trip. Otherwise, arriving at the main location won't elicit the intended response. Another thing to remember is that you simply need to shoot a lot. In most situations, less than 1% of your footage will be used in the finished product. But first and foremost, you must have enough footage to begin with. It's frustrating to return from vacation to find out that you didn't get enough good or usable footage. Editing. If you've done your homework and followed the instructions above, your editing process should go smoothly. However, because creating travel films is different from creating other forms of video, you must concentrate on certain things. When editing a travel video, you'll want to pay attention to your music choices, sequence of shots in the final cut, video pacing, and transitions and text. People's wanderlust is appealing to videos of this kind. Therefore, you should concentrate on recreating that feeling while editing. You must once again go back to your script or storyboard, outline, shortlist to better understand the type of video emotion you want to convey. Are you making a joyful holiday film or showcasing the culture of a place? The editing style will be significantly diversified with each new intention. You'll use fast cuts, vibrant music, and creative text in a fun festival video. Still, you'll want more acoustic music with mellow songs, simple transitions, and minimalist text for a documentary-style video of a destination. The ideas. Your own travel blog. Travel vlogs are a fantastic way to get your travel video career started. As a travel vlogger, you may begin filming your trips, conversing with the camera and your followers, and expressing your thoughts about the journey, first impressions, and facial reactions as you sample different foods in real time. The best thing about travel vlogs is that they don't have to be professionally produced. They can be uploaded and viewed in real time, a successful format for the modern content-driven social media cycle. People want to feel like they know you as a video personality. There's no better way to do that than with an unedited live stream from your adventure. Create guides. You don't have to limit yourself to filming your adventures. You can also produce video tutorials for travel enthusiasts and artisans. You can share ideas, suggestions, and knowledge with your community through cleverly edited films. Share your own personal experiences. The stranger, the better. Your vacation films may be a way to communicate your own individual or strange experiences. You could have had unique events on all of your travels. You might enjoy tasting unusual local cuisine, attempting local costumes, and more. All of this can be incorporated into your travel videos. Share reviews and recommendations. If you're a foodie who enjoys sampling new dishes on the road, make travel videos about food and culture. Your films may allow visitors to enjoy a glimpse at different cuisines, cooking techniques, and tastes worldwide. Get comfortable with your equipment. Before you capture breathtaking locales and exciting adventures, it's essential to know how to do so. Getting the most out of your gear is crucial for obtaining optimal results. To understand what kind of output your camera and microphone produce, learn and use them in various situations. Study your equipment's owner manuals to discover how to use various controls. You don't want to miss out on a fantastic moment because you are unsure what button to push. Choose the right gear for your needs. When you're just getting started, it's all too easy to be seduced by trendy gear and the newest camera. The truth is that you don't need a lot of equipment to shoot decent films. As you improve your skills, refine your kit. Your aim should be to travel as light as possible when capturing good video. You may accomplish this by determining your filming style and then sticking to equipment that helps you execute that style. You may not need numerous macro lenses or telephoto lenses if you're a person who prefers wide-angle shots in your travel films. The things to keep in mind is that this degree of refinement requires time and experience, so don't be too hard on yourself if you don't get it right the first time. Invest in batteries and memory cards. Memory cards, hard drives, and battery backups are all required. The most traumatic filming incident is when your memory card or the battery dies midway through recording, preventing you from capturing everything you needed. Maintain a variety of memory cards, hard drives, and power supplies for maximum convenience during filming. Stay organized, even on the go. If you're not organizing your video daily, it's a big mistake. If you don't organize your footage daily, it will become difficult to sort through the entire media from your trip at the end. Our final destination. So the next time you plan a trip, bring all the necessary equipment and prepare your itinerary before departing. You may create fantastic travel videos that entice viewers with little effort, locating the most outstanding areas and designing the best angles to shoot from. Bon voyage!